Dapat hindi mo i-stop yung growth process ng bata because everyone is moving towards progression and development. So life is dynamic. Now, kung pipigilan mo yung pag-unlad or kaalaman or yung pagtubo, ang growth ng mga anak mo, you're not doing your job as a parent. You're supposed to support because life is dynamic. Our job as parents is to make our children greater than we are. Now, if my children become greater than I am, then I am successful as a parent. Dahil ako naman ang nagturo sa kanila. So, dapat hindi ko pipigilan yung growth ng mga anak ko. However, this is a reminder to the parents. Ang mga anak natin ay hindi mga perpekto. Just as tayong mga parents, hindi rin tayo mga perpekto. No one is perfect in this world. So, dapat maging patient tayo, maging forgiving kung nagkakamali yung mga anak natin. Because psychology puts it, lahat ng mga magagandang learning natin ay nanggagaling sa mga kamalian natin. I'm not saying na dapat magkamali tayo palagi. Pag nagkakamali tayo, dapat ang mga magulang is ready to support and understand. Because wala namang taong hindi nagkakamali. Now, it is better to try than not to have tried at all. At walang taong naging successful inside their comfort zones. All successful people, and in fact, all great leaders become great outside of their comfort zone. So kaming mga parents, dapat supportive kami kung mga anak namin ay lumalabas sa comfort zone dahil yan ang daan ng growth at saka progress and development.